is the heartthrob of millions.
I told myself very early on that I don't want to refuse anyone, and I will try and be accessible to whoever wants to be accessible towards me.
But he's extremely guarded about his personal space.
I feel I'm on Big Boss. So much you don't have to do here.
Born into the first family of Hindi cinema, he was a star even before his first film.
I'm Raj Kapoor's grandson, Rishi Kapoor, Neetu Kapoor's son. I'm constantly fighting that, even though I guess people don't recognize me now so much as their child and I have my own identity, but in my head I'm constantly fighting. I don't know why.
Playing hide and seek with our lenses for close to 2 months, we bring you the frenzy and the madness of tracking Ranbir Kapoor.
There's something to do with his face, his innocence, his humbleness, maybe his eyes, I don't know, and his talent put together, because you somehow kind of connect with his face on the screen.
He didn't want to actually walk the path that has been taken before, even risking his career for it. And then audiences have welcomed that. So all that has paid off.
He's just too detached from any sort of pleasure or pain.
But the honest truth is that I really want to work with Ranbir. And I think that the universe has really thrown up this collaboration in my life.
I want to be the biggest star. I want to be the greatest actor. I want to be, the biggest icon of the Hindi film industry. And I'm arrogant enough to say that I have the talent. I have the hard work.
It's day 1 of our shoot. The time is 3 p.m. in the afternoon and the media is ready with their cameras, waiting for the star to arrive. Ranbir is only 90 minutes late. But when he finally makes it to the podium, he performs like a pro.
बदतमीजी करे और क्या करे, जैसे गाने में भी मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बुढ़ापा सबकी ज़िंदगी में आता है, तो इसके पहले कि बुढ़ापा हमारे ज़िंदगी में आ जाए, जवानी चल रही तो वहाँ थोड़ी बदतमीजी कर लो.
It's just the first day of promotions.
I am both. I'm a बदतमीज guy who will turn Bishop.
An hour later, we finally get a moment with an injured Kapoor. Alright, Ranbir, finally meet. Tell me what's been happening. You look a little unwell.
Yes, I've actually broken my back 2 days back. Actually, I've started this MMA training for Bombay Velvet, which is mixed martial arts.
Okay.
And of course, I'm not that fit, which I've realized now at the age of 30. And I had to pick up the dumbbells and I broke my back. Then I shot the whole day. And the next day, I had a cyst on my chest. I know it's really awkward to talk about it. So I had that operated. I can show you my bandages. So yeah, I'm all bandaged up.
How many days does that push you? I mean, like, will you be able to shoot and still continue?
Well, the good part is that I'm just promoting Jawani till the time it's out, so it doesn't require me to exert myself too much.
You're limping as well.
It's because of my back. So because of my back, the pain. Anyways, I feel like I'm sounding like a hypochondriac and a crybaby. I'm fine.
क्या नाम लिखना है बताइए?
Meghna.
रणबीर यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर. आराम से आगे बाय सर. राहुल पूरा थैंक यू. रणबीर बाय रणबीर सर.
People used to say that, he makes us laugh and he makes his faces, and you know, he can do great amount of monkey business, you know, but never in front of us.
I never knew he wanted to be an actor till the time he went to New York, actually. He would imitate people and he would do some scenes and do all the masti, but never ever, I didn't even know he knew to dance. I mean, it was just like a shock to me.
A week later, Ranbir is still limping, but the promotional campaign can't be postponed. How's your back?
Still same, man.
Thank you.
Deepika,
She's just on her way. We'll be reaching in 2.
but Indore would be hardly there for Kenny.
Joining him for the press conference today is his co-star and ex-girlfriend, Deepika Padukone. Once considered the poster boy and girl for young love, it was after his breakup with Padukone that Ranbir was given the title of a Casanova.
Image of this Casanova was given to me, as soon as I entered the industry. Maybe because I was dating an actress. I did a film called Bachna Aise, people started thinking, okay, I must be like this. I have huge keen interest in women, and I am extremely heterosexual. I'm passionate, and I love women. It's something. They excite me, and that's not my fault.
It's here. It is a big license package.
Just tilt your head towards your right a little bit, and that head straight, and just look little right. Now, like you're smelling something. It's my creation. Deepika smelling her own hair.
They might be exes, but there's absolutely no signs of awkwardness between the two.
In the promos, we have seen that there have been some similarities, like you first make up, then break up, then again you make up. So we see something similarity in this also.
You should brush your teeth with close-up.
अच्छा, आपने दीपिका का वो ऐड देखा था जो इन्होंने सबसे पहले किया था, क्या आप क्लोजअप करते हैं?
Of course, वो क्या था? पास, what is it? What is the jingle?
क्या आप क्लोजअप करते हैं?
हाँ, you can see.
एक दूसरे के खूबसूरत क्लोजअप का राज बताइए.
Makeup, lighting.
नहीं, आप उनके बारे में और आपके बारे में.
मैं उनके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ. ऐसा कई बार होता है कि जब हम ट्रैवल करते हैं तो वी फॉरगेट आवर टूथपेस्ट, तो हम अब फिंगर पे भी टूथपेस्ट डाल के ब्रश करते थे. उसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था क्योंकि उसमें एक खुद की एक उंगली होती थी. I'm quite real. I like to believe that. I'm not a fraud. I must have been earlier on, when you're a bit new, you are still trying to figure out the film industry, people still trying to figure out yourself as a person, and slowly with time, with experience, with exposure, and all of that, you become your person. You become your personality.
We're at the Indore airport, where security is being briefed and fans are waiting.
वहाँ चेन बना के एकदम को गाड़ी में बिठा के अपनी गाड़ी सबसे पीछे रहेगी, सबसे आगे पायलट गाड़ी रहेगी, सेकंड में रणबीर गाड़ी रहेगी, थर्ड पे वो मैडम की गाड़ी रहेगी, फोर्थ अपनी गाड़ी की, वो लेके चलना है आप लोगों को, ठीक है? वो कोई ओवरटेक नहीं करना है.
You guys waiting for Ranbir Kapoor?
Yeah,
Fans of the actor?
truly fan. I'm going to hug him if I could.
After all, Ranbir Kapoor is visiting the city to promote Ye Jawani Hai Deewani.
How are you?
How's Kanpur?
Tiring?
Yeah? Indore's going to be even more hectic.
This will be fast, huh? Very hard. You want me to come? Watch it.
I'll see you in the next station. Driving at breakneck speed, our car follows the actor to a local college, where students have turned up in thousands.
मैं रणवीर को ये बता देना चाहता हूँ कि ये इंदौर का सबसे हैपनिंग कॉलेज है। ये जवानी है दीवानी है, दीवानों का कॉलेज है।
Start the sound and Ranveer side is great. So much for this wonderful turnout and the very today. I love you guys.
He exits in less than 20 minutes. Next stop, a meet and greet at a 5-star with the Indore media. But word has already spread that Kapoor is in town.
You know, it's we grew up in these metropolitan cities, and the audience, the cinema going audience is radically different when you go to smaller towns. And to be honest, I don't think smaller towns even are aware of my movies. You know, they probably know me more because of my Pepsi advertisements on IPL. You know, that's where they see me, and that's the recall value for them. So I think it's very important for an actor like me and the kind of genre of movies that I do.
And you keep traveling from location to location. After a point, I mean, how do you constantly keep telling yourself to put that smile on your face, or to constantly still look like you're interested in meeting the next fan who comes up to you?
But Janice, I love what I do. I mean, this is the result. You know, if I have to be happy with this. If I see a person who doesn't smile looking at me, I'll probably feel insecure. You know, I want everyone to love me, and that's the only proof I have if I'm working or not working in movies. It's not just box office collections, it's actually people's faces. If they're excited to see me, if I bring some change in their face, or some chemical reaction in their body, I think that's very important. So I try and meet everybody. Sometimes what happens is you go with a group of people, and they hire so many bouncers, and they start making most of the ruckus because they start pushing people, and and more or less the people who like to see me are young girls and young boys, and they usually get trampled, and they get pushed around.
Our conversation done, Ranveer makes a quick stop to celebrate a young fan's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? Well, you guys are going to go see the movie or not?
Yeah, of course.
So first day.
I'm a really big fan.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Finally, it's time for the press conference.
I guess के साथ टाइम बिताना या दोस्तों के साथ टाइम बिताना या रोमांस करना.
So was it difficult to match steps?
It wasn't difficult because मुझे पहले ही पता था कि अगर माधुरी जी स्क्रीन पर होगी तो मुझे कोई देखने नहीं वाला. तो मैं कोचे में कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं खड़े हो सकता हूँ, नाम बजा सकता हूँ, मुझे कोई देखने नहीं वाला.
But once the event's done, chaos follows. The hotel staff only adding to the mayhem.
I think when I went to promote Savarya in Hyderabad, I remember, our film hadn't released, we were promoting, and my Jab Se Tere Naina, my towel song had released by then. And I remember like few girls came and they started tearing my clothes and they were kissing me on my cheek and they were pushing Sonam away and all of that. She didn't like that at all. So yeah, I felt ke, wow, what is this? You feel taken by all the attention, and it kind of goes a little bit to your head. You feel a little bit superior. You feel a little bit ke, wow, like I am something. But it dies out. It dies out in 10 minutes. Then you go back to brushing your teeth in the morning and trying to wake up and give a good shot and a honest, true shot.
It's a hot Sunday afternoon. Ranbir has just returned to Mumbai from his whirlwind promotional tour. But for the actor, there are no breaks. Kapoor is at the Riverdale Studios in Mumbai for an ad film shoot. In between shots, we get a peek at his newly decorated vanity van.
This is more than a vanity van. This is where actors spend all the time. The collective time that we are on a film set, out of the 8 hours is probably 1 hour, and 7 hours we're sitting here. So it's not owned by me, but I kind of put retro posters of few of my favorite films. You can take a look. These are not the original posters, but there is a website which makes retro posters out of the old film posters. So there's a production designer on Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Amrita. She did it up. So it's easy to the eyes, This is my space. I mean, I don't treat it like a Taj Mahal. Anyone can come in. It's like an open house. I like to hang around here most of the time in solitude because on a film set, other people are busy doing their jobs while I'm sitting, waiting. But anyone's welcome. I have most of my meetings out here. I think more than home and a film set, this is where I spend my time. This chair is like my bed. This is like my bedroom, my house, my everything. Yeah, in India, the guy leaves 2 days earlier. So if I shot Besharam right now in Delhi and Chandigarh, so the van came with me. So there is a sense of comfort. It's your own space. I've put an espresso machine there.
RK is also hopeful that all the city tours and fan frenzy finally translate to box office success for his latest release.
I feel actually in disbelief seeing so many people turn up. But it's great. I hope it kind of translates into ticket sales and not just, coming to see an actor. And it's important, for me to go to these small centers because not many people are aware of my movies. My movies target to a certain kind of audience. Not saying that Kanpur and Indore are small centers, but they're important centers.
Later, the film is released. The verdict on Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is in.
Very excited.
Obviously, Ranbir.
Charming, very cute.
Ranbir's acted well.
Yeah, man.
Fantastic.
Movie is awesome.
Very fun movie.
I'm going to watch it again.